Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and we are in lab 2.97 and we are going to delete file. So someone created duplicate versions of 3 projects documents. To avoid version control problem, you need to delete the duplicate files. When deleting the file, use a switch that will allow you to delete a file without any promptings. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to delete the following files from the first lab project directory. You're going to delete Dark Horse 1, Camouflage 1, and Game 1. When you are finished, use the ls command to verify the deletion. Alright, so that is it, and I think go ahead and start lab now. So we'll wait for the lab to load. So meanwhile, if you need detailed video explanation and insider specs on how to solve any TestOut lab at all, you might want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed explanation on how to solve any TestOut lab at all. Alright, so we just wait for the lab to load so that we'll start up. Alright, so lab is loaded. Let's go ahead and start up lab. So here you have, type in cd in the terminal. You open your terminal and type in cd/projects. Press enter. And then type in -f Dark Horse 1. You press enter for that, and then you type in -f space Camouflage 1. And then you press enter, and then you type in -f space and Game 1. You press enter, and then you type in ls-l and press enter, and then we'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to like so that others can benefit also. Share the video in other platforms so that other students can benefit also. Subscribe, like, comment below any questions you might have. Consider joining my professional membership if you need detailed video guidance on how to solve any lab at all. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.